What's up, YouTube fam?
In today's video, I'm testing out the Canon RF 100-400mm lens while on a chill walk in Glenrock Reserve in Newcastle. Join me and see what cool frames I can find hidden in nature through the walk. Just enjoy.
Sweet. I might quickly chuck in the lens. See if I can get some nice landscapes. Sweet. So nice. Gala. So doing a test on the Canon 100-400. See how it goes. Got a little hood for it. Looks nice. Let's see. Fuck, that's a good zoom. Yeah. Wowzers. How's this little guy? Sweet. Let's go. 30 degrees out. 'Can't spot any birds yet. There are some nice purple flowers. Let's see what I can get. Wow, that's lovely. Oh, back on track. Woo. Little daffodil. Where is it? Wow. Isn't that just beautiful? What's this? Little hidden track. No snakes or anything. Yeah, a waterfall. How nice is that? Nice purple flower. It's blue. Wow. Oh, there's a little bug in it as well. Oh, look down there. Fuck. It's like there's a trail that runs all the way up. would you look at that? Look at that. He's beautiful. Look at him. Just stays there. So crazy. There he is. Come on, focus, you twat. Awesome. I think he's in focus. I got plenty of shots, so I think he's in focus. Ew! First proper animal on this trip. Look at all that moss. Damn. Those roots. Bit more sunlight. Keep on trucking. Big goanna coming towards me. Look at him laying in the sun. Oh, big goanna. Wonder how close you can get. It's right there. Oh, he's not moving. He's not moving. Wow. Look at those claws on him. There he goes. Off he goes. Now, typically in Australia, we have some of the deadliest snakes in the world. More like specifically the brown snake, the eastern brown snake. And it can kill you very quickly. So we're not going to find any of them today, hopefully. But if we do, I would love to stay away. So I'm spending most of my time scanning the forest floor, just to make sure there's no brown tails of any snakes. It's hard in the shade because you see those trees above me, the casting shadows, which look a little bit like a snake. So hopefully not. Damn. Don't want to drop my camera. Oof. In any of these. Sure, a bit wet. I can hear the beach. It's about 31 degrees right now, Celsius. Bloody hot. Oof. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely beach this. No surf today. Ideal, do. Whew. Beauty. Down here. Crystal clear water today as well. Wow. Oh my days. Phew. What a nice day. Wow. That's just beautiful Australian beach. If we come around the other side, quick run around. At that. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. I'm in love. Big bird. That's an eagle. Wow. The Great North Walk. And now I gotta walk all the way back to my car. You. Who's that? Where are you? Oh, I see him. They're in on the bush over there. They're just behind that back of shrubbery and I couldn't see him. Nice purple flower. Wow. That deep purple. Hey, butterfly. Just for a superb fairy wren, a male and a female. The males keep these bright blue colours on their face, whereas the females have a brown one. I'm not sure if it's in summer. I think it's in summer the females turn brown and the men stay blue. There's a tree. Oh, fabulous. All the spider webs coming off them. Oh, don't slip. I don't want to be dropping this. Hell no. Lovely little, actually, oh, I want to get a shot of these ferns. These are beautiful. Slide it into auto. Change the focus point. Wow. Let's see if I can get a nice low shot. Where the sun's bouncing off them. Bam. It's steep as hell. Bro, are you kidding me? Holy, it's hot in here.